Alright, back again with another video. Mr. Elwood video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Alright, y'all, look what I'm doing today. French fries and chicken nuggets in the air fryer, y'all. Check it out. Not bad. Alright, that's what I mean. Yeah, check it out. Alright. Here go the beginning results. I'll be back in 10 to show y'all the end results of this meal. Chicken nuggets and french fries in the air fryer. Stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, people, I'm back. Here go the finishing touch on the air fryer chicken nuggets and french fries. Alright, y'all, tell me what y'all think down below. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think about the chicken nuggets, french fries in the air fryer, y'all. Yeah, buddy, looks good. Tell me what y'all think. Alright, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Alright, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some likes on this and let me know what y'all think about it. Alright, if you're new to my page, don't forget to subscribe to my page. Show the brothers some love. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Enjoy y'all day. Peace. Alright, y'all. Got it all out and sorted out on y'all. Tell me what y'all think would look like. Looking good. Y'all know what time it is. I'm good. They're all crispy brown. Look at them. Yeah, looking good. Both sides, look at them. Crispy brown. French fry. No grease. No grease at all. Check them out. Alright. Nothing but healthy eating. Air fry. Y'all ain't got no air fry. You need to get one to your house. I'm saying, not bad. You get air fries anyway. So, alright, y'all. I'm out of here. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. They got to get ready to get busy. Alright. Peace.